今緊急でね動画回してるんですけど、緊急で動画回してる時って緊急でまた今日も動画を回してるんですけども。
Did you hear that? Kei-san just used a very natural Japanese VTuber phrase. Today we're learning 3 things from this one sentence. Number 1, 今緊急でね。Number 2, 動画回してる。Number 3, んですけど。This one sentence has emergency Japanese, YouTuber Japanese, and a supernatural spoken grammar. Let's break it down. Point 1, 今緊急でね。First, 緊急 means urgent or emergency. For example, 緊急会見 an emergency press conference. Another example, 緊急入院する to be hospitalized urgently. So when Kei-san says 今緊急でね, it means this is urgent. So, but the ね makes it sound softer and more conversational, not like a scary news report. More like, okay, so this is kinda urgent, you know. This ね makes the sentence feel like she's talking directly to the viewer. Point 2, 動画回してる。Next, 動画回してる. This means I'm filming a video or I'm recording right now. But why 回す? 回す usually means to turn or to spin. For example, ドアノブを回す to turn a doorknob. 洗濯機を回す to run the washing machine. But in filming, Japanese people say カメラを回す to roll the camera. This comes from older cameras and recording equipment. Film reels and tapes literally moved or turned when recording. So even now, people say もう回ってる? Is it already recording? ちょっと動画回します. I'm going to start filming. And this is very common among Japanese YouTubers, streamers, and creators. But you might be thinking, can't we just say 動画を撮る? Yes, 動画を撮る is also correct. 動画を撮ってる means I'm filming a video, but the feeling is a little different. 撮る focuses on taking or making the video. 回す focuses on the camera being on and recording. So, 動画撮ってる sounds like I'm filming a video, but 動画回してる sounds like the camera is rolling right now. It has more creator energy, more YouTuber energy, more I had to turn on the camera immediately energy. That's why Kei-san's phrase feels so natural. Point 3, んですけど. Finally, んですけど. This literally means something like but in spoken Japanese, it often does more than that. It tells the listener, I'm explaining the situation and more information is coming. So, 今緊急でね、動画回してるんですけど feels like I'm filming this right now because something urgent happened. But listen, it creates suspense. It makes the viewer want to keep watching. And honestly, that's very YouTuber-like phrasing. Full nuance. So the full nuance is not just I'm taking a video because it's urgent. It's more like, okay, something urgent happened. So I turned on the camera right now and I need to tell you about it. That's the feeling. まとめ Summary. So today's phrase was 今緊急でね、動画回してるんですけど You learned 緊急 means urgent. 動画を回す means to film or record, especially like a creator. And んですけど adds the feeling of here's the situation and more information is coming. So it doesn't just mean but, it sounds natural, soft, and very YouTuber-ish. Okay, quiz time! If a Japanese YouTuber says もうカメラ回ってる? What does it mean? A. Is the camera spinning? B. Is the camera already recording? C. Did you buy a new camera? The answer is B. What does 緊急会見 mean? A. An emergency press conference. B. A funny YouTube video. C. A normal live stream. The answer is A. 緊急会見 means an emergency press conference. Advanced practice. Have you ever had to do something urgently? For example, 緊急で病院に行きました。I had to go to the hospital urgently. 緊急で友達に電話しました。I had to call my friend urgently. Write your sentence in the comments. If you liked this breakdown, watch my other videos too. I teach real Japanese from VTubers, YouTubers, anime, games, and Oshi culture. Not just the meaning, but the feeling behind the words. So don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and leave a comment. Bye bye!
最後まで見てくれてありがとう。チャンネル登録して一緒に日本語を勉強しよう。Thanks for watching. Subscribe and join me on our Japanese learning journey. See you next time. Bye bye.